Alright guys, hope you are all good. Today is another important guys. So we are talking about the smart money concept guys. That amazing. So many people have asked, oh Kelvin, Fresh Kevo, where is about smart money concept? Today I'm here talking about smart money concept. So begin we trade wisely every time guys. So that amazing. So today I will talk about smart money concept where it deals on how the big banks drive the market. So let's move on our chart and discuss discuss the key point of the smart money concept, and that is liquidity. So without much ado guys, let's look here. So let's mark our charts. Let's use the horizontal line as the key level. So this is a demand zone. Let's put it here, right? That amazing guys. So about liquidity is so simple. Let's have another line here. That amazing. So I will explain to you what is liquidity. uh, it's that amazing guys. This is another key level here. So that is how we draw our key levels there. Let me enlarge them so that you can see them very well. Yes guys. So that amazing, that amazing. So yes, let me enlarge them guys. That amazing. It's working good, it's working good guys. It's working good. So it's working good. Let me enlarge. That is it. Yeah, right, that amazing. So this is the key level, this is another key level. So as retail traders, we will enter our trends here. Immediately it catches the key level or demand zones, we will enter our buys. But you know what, the big banks, they want to drive the market to the next key level here up. So as retail traders, so they need people who are entering buys, then they stop them. So first, retail traders, mostly the beginners, will enter buy at this point, and their TP will be here up at this point, and their stop losses will be below these 2 weeks here. So that is retail traders actually. That is retail trader, most of beginners. But somebody who having the skill of liquidity that I'm explaining right now. So the big banks, they want to drive the market to the next key level. So what they will do is that they will drive market at this lower point where the stop losses of the retail traders they are. So they drive the market to the upper part or the next key level. So as not having the, the the knowledge of the liquidity sweep, it's very important. So a trader of smart money concept with combination with price action will wait what? This is a valid, this is not so valid demand zone. So they enter the market here, the big banks drive the market below here. So these 2 weeks, they swept all these stop losses which were swept here. And you know what? This market was driven up to the next key level. Let me zoom it, guys. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it for you. You see it very. Yes, that's very important. So you can see after the sweep of the liquidity, this market went up to what? To the next key level. That amazing, guys. So that is very amazing. So whenever you have the knowledge of liquidity, it is very important. So whenever the market is driven up to the below this, well, that is all about liquidity. So there is several types of liquidity too. So today I'm discussing the liquidity below the resistance, that is the support zones. So whenever it is swept, this is a bullish trade. So that is all about the liquidity. That is the part one of the liquidity. Liquidity, it is a broad topic that even in a trade where there is a high high, high low, high high, and high low, so there are some, let's look here, another type of liquidity is happening at this point. So let me drag these my two lines up to that point. No. Let me drag it. Let me drag this line. Drag. Does not want to drag it. Let me draw another line. That is it, guys. Let me draw another horizontal line here. I explain more about the liquidity. So yes, that's amazing. So this is another area where the retail traders are capped on. So whenever there is a support, they enter what and buy. So they are entering and buy. So the big banks will drive here at the bottom. They sweep all this liquidity, then they move the market the highest place. So whenever the liquidity is swept, it moves up to the next key level. So up to the next, you can see this one did not make it. This one will make it the next up key level because the liquidity have been swept. And this happens the times of volume, guys. So this is all about, is not all about liquidity sweep, because liquidity sweep, it has a lot of branches. There is internal and external liquidity. So guys, so for today's remain with that, I think you have captured about the liquidity. This is my first playlist video of smart money concept, where we'll discuss all about smart money concept analysis and the combination with ICT. I have already prepared the price action for the price action traders, guys. So trade wisely, guys, every time. It is your mentor Kelvin Reshke. Subscribe to our channel, guys. So peace, guys.